Experience the flavors of this wonderful recipe with a simple and tasty cake. Start by beating eggs with a pinch of salt and sugar until fluffy. Gradually sift in baking powder and flour, then gently fold. Pour the batter into a baking pan and bake. For the frosting, whip together room temperature butter and caramelized sweetened condensed milk. Assemble the cake by layering with syrup, frosting, and chopped walnuts. To decorate, melt chocolate with milk and use a piping bag to create stripes. Then add crushed cookies around the sides. This cake is ready to impress. Check the description for full details.